Imagine holding a camera in your hands that doesn't just promise performance, it rewrites the rules entirely. The Nikon Z6 IV is not just another model, it's shaping up to be a revolution. The leaks, rumors, and insider whispers for 2026 paint a picture of a camera that could redefine what we expect from mid-range and hybrid shooters. If you thought the Z8 was the pinnacle, think again. Nikon is ready to break the mold completely. This isn't about incremental upgrades or marketing fluff. This is about raw, uncompromising power in a body designed for photographers and filmmakers who refuse to settle for less. The Nikon Z6 III already set a high bar. It delivered fast performance, hybrid capabilities, and excellent ergonomics. But it came with compromises: 24.5 megapixels, when competitors were moving past 33. A slight shadow noise penalty at base ISO and thermal limits during extended 6K RAW video recording. The flippy screen delighted vloggers but frustrated traditional still shooters. Battery life demanded planning, and dynamic range, while solid, left room for improvement. The Z6 III was excellent, but it wasn't absolute. It gave enthusiasts a taste. But the hunger for a camera that excels in every situation remained unsatisfied. Enter the Z6 IV. Rumors suggest Nikon is pulling out every stop. With red digital cinema now in the mix, color science and processing could see a level of sophistication previously reserved for cinema-grade cameras. Imagine a fully stacked 33.3 megapixel CMOS sensor that finally kills the old debate of resolution versus speed. Nikon promises blistering readout speeds. No more ghosting, no more rolling shutter haunting your high-speed shots. And with the rumored XE8 processor, its autofocus is said to predict human intent-tracking subjects before they even move. Prioritizing eyes in a chaotic wedding scene or following the arc of a bird mid-flight. This isn't just smart, it's game-changing. Video capabilities are rumored to rival dedicated cinema cameras. Internal 6K at 6OP, uncropped 4K at 120p, with red-inspired skin tones that may require almost no post-production tweaks. Ergonomics are reportedly evolving too. The multiflex hinge giving you the freedom of a fully articulating flip for vlogging or a rugged tilt for traditional shooting. Dual CF Express Type B slots finally appear in this mid-tier segment, erasing compromises and giving professionals the flexibility they need. The real tension lies in pricing and positioning. Enthusiasts fear the Z6 IV could edge dangerously close to flagship territory, challenging the Z8 and potentially threatening sales. Will Nikon deliberately limit certain features to preserve the flagship's dominance? Or will the Z6 IV become the new standard for the price-conscious professional? And what about supply? A camera this ambitious could face shortages reminiscent of the Z9 launch, leaving eager creators frustrated. Yet despite these concerns, Nikon's transformation is undeniable. From a brand sometimes seen as playing catch-up, they've pivoted to an innovator in hybrid and cinema technology. Red's acquisition has already influenced releases like the Nikon ZR, proving that Nikon is serious about creating a new generation of cameras that speak to both photographers and filmmakers. The Z6 IV promises to bridge the gap between mid-range and elite performance, potentially making it the first camera that truly delivers flagship power without breaking the bank. For creators who need versatility, speed, and precision, the Z6 IV could be the absolute camera they've been waiting for. It's built to excel across portraits, landscapes, weddings, wildlife, and cinematic video. The rumors suggest Nikon is challenging competitors like the Sony A7 IV and Canon R6 Mark III head-on, redefining what's possible in a single, attainable body. If these leaks prove true, the Z6 IV isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement that the mid-tier market will never be the same. If you're as excited as we are about what Nikon might unveil, make sure to stay tuned because the competition is officially on notice. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive updates. First looks and tech leaks that you won't find anywhere else. The year of the absolute camera might just be upon us, and you won't want to miss it.